Every journey has different paths. At Modesto City Schools, one exciting option for you is Career Technical Education, or CTE, your hands-on route to college and career readiness. Through CTE, you can focus on one of more than a dozen industries, from health science and agriculture to business technology, culinary arts, public safety, and more. Each pathway is like a 3-stop trip. You'll start with an introductory course, continue with a concentrator, and finish with a capstone. When you complete your capstone and show you're ready on state tests like the CASP in English or math, you'll qualify as prepared for college and career. Along the way, you can earn certifications employers recognize, like OSHA 10, food handlers, computer science, certified nursing assistant, auto repair, Adobe Creative Cloud, and more. And you can get real-world experience through internships, job shadowing, and mentorships with local partners like Gallo, DeHart, and Tony's Plumbing. Here's the best part. Your CTE classes also count toward A through G. That means you don't have to choose one path over the other. By completing both, you'll give yourself the strongest foundation and keep every door open to college, career, military, or whatever comes next for you. In SchooLinks, you'll chart your course through CTE and track each step of your pathway, so you'll always know how close you are to your destination. As you hit milestones, you'll unlock digital passport stamps, stickers, and badges, fun ways to celebrate your progress and keep you motivated on your mission. CTE is your hands-on path to skills, experience, and opportunity. Wherever your journey takes you, CTE will help you get there. Map your mission, your future, your path, your plan. Visit mcsforkids.com/mapyourmission to explore CTE pathways and start your journey.